Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today I am in Coron in the Philippines and let me take you on Coron Ultimate Boat Tour. So, come with me. I booked this boat tour one day in advance and I hired a private boat. She was my guide. She was an excellent swimmer. If you're going to Coron, you should hire her. You can DM me on Instagram and I will give you her contact number. Since it was a private tour, it started early. There was no crowd at all. We had the whole place to ourselves. Our first stop was the Barracuda lake. The water is crystal clear, and as you go deeper, the temperature suddenly changes because of the mix of fresh and salt water. And you need to wear a life jacket here, it is compulsory, even if you know swimming. The next stop was Kayangan Lake. This is the iconic view you have probably seen all over Coron. After a short climb, you are rewarded with one of the clearest lakes in the Philippines. Then we went to Twin Lagoon. It is where two stunning lagoons meet through a narrow passage. We swam through turquoise water and we also hired a kayak over there. You can see how clear the water is. Then we went to Shipwrecks. Coron is famous for its World War II shipwrecks resting beneath the sea. Even from above, you can spot the part of these historic wrecks, and it felt really adventurous. I snorkeled here for almost an hour and it was so magical. This is me struggling in the water. After this, it was time for lunch. We went to Banol beach. It felt like a tropical paradise. Powdery white sand, clear blue water, and a perfect spot to snorkel and just swim in the water. Look at how clear the water is. Then I had lunch. I am a vegetarian, so I only had fruits. Then we went to Coral Garden. It was bursting with marine life, colorful corals, schools of fishes, and incredibly clear water. And it was one of my favorite snorkeling spots of the day. The waves were too strong and I was not able to swim at all, so my guide was just pushing me throughout. The last stop was Pukaway cave. If you're claustrophobic, please don't go here. It is a hidden gem and you can go only by a private boat, but it was so beautiful. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.